Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I'm coming from you.
Okay guys, we're in a different location. I don't know if you noticed. Okay, so today we have the most easiest, and when I say easy, I mean like extremely easy, the easiest wig that I have ever dealt with in my entire life. I have never met with it. It's literally a throw on, throw off type of wig. That is the best wig. You can just take it off, take it on. You had a long day today, you walk in your house, throw it on the bed, call it a day. But basically today, as you already see in the title, before I even start anything, hi guys, my name is Tatiana Ali. If you never really seen me before, back to what I was saying. If you've never seen me before, you know, you can click the subscribe button. It's, you know, something there. But yeah, today we literally have a wig video, as you know, and it's the headband wig from Yulissa Hair. Guys, I got a 28 inch wig because I have sold all my wigs and sadly I have none, and I missed my inches for a while now. But yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I put this on. I've already low-key already wore this just to, you know, test it out because it was so easy. Like with a lace front, you can't do that. Like you can't just be like, oh, I just tested this out and now I'm gonna test it again. Like that's too much work. But this week, you can test it out and try it again and try it again and again. I'm gonna just show you guys. Literally, I got the, hold on. So the hair that I chose from Yulissa Hair was the water wave. I don't know, I kind of missed curly hair. So that's what we're doing today. I just basically braided up my hair already and did my edges, as you can see. I could have done my edges on here, but it would have just taken too long, and honestly I was just trying to get to it. But I used Edge Booster and Eco Styler, if you are gonna ask me. But yeah, let's just put this on real quick. Okay, so when you do this, you kind of want like your edges to be out because that's what's gonna be out the entire time. Like this is literally, if somebody asks you if this is your hair, this is your hair. What? Don't ask me that. You my business. I don't like that. It looks crazy right now, but hold on. Okay. Also, I'm doing this without no mirror. I'm literally doing this through the viewfinder, so that's interesting. So put this behind my ears. You can do it as tight as you want. My head is known for headaches, so I try not to make things too tight. And then pull this back, just so it can look real, you know, realistic. Do you see how quick this was? This was the quickest thing I think I've ever done. I literally now look like a new woman. Okay, but this is not the fun part. Okay. So basically, I'm gonna wet my hair first a little bit. I don't know, I kind of like this hair dry because I wet it last night and I was kind of realizing I didn't really like it like that. but I don't like it too frizzy at the top, so we're just gonna do this. So they sent hella headbands, and the funny thing is that when I was gonna do this video, I went to buy these headbands, these cute little rhinestone headbands, and they sent them. I was like, oh my god, they literally read my mind. So I'm gonna show you how you can dress this up in a matter of seconds, just seconds. Guys, I just look like a new bitch. I hate myself so much. Okay, but yeah, literally just put this on, and now I'm new. I don't know who you are. I don't really know who you are, basically. But they have this one, which is really cute. It's like the silver rhinestone headband, which I really like. It goes with my outfit. And then they also sent this headband, which is more of like a rainbow. The hair gets kind of caught in it, so be careful. But this one's more of like a rainbow type. Ignore my nails. Ignore them, okay? But yeah, this one's more of like a rainbow type rhinestone going on. So you put that on, and then boom. And then they also sent scarves to go with it, which is hella cute. They sent a bunch. They sent headbands and scarves. Honestly, Yalissa, you are very, very, very sweet. Basically, they sent this scarf, which I thought is really cute. This hair kind of reminds me of like if I'm going on a vacation or something, which is really nice, even though I'm not, because where am I going? But they sent this scarf, which is hella cute, and I honestly would I would wear it. I would just really just tie it like this in the back and call it a day, only because it's just hella work to be doing the most. But they sent this scarf, which is super cute, you know, something regular situation. And they also sent a pack of headbands, so I can just basically show you guys what it looks like with all the headbands. I don't even wear headbands like that because y'all know okay. I'm sorry if you hear the leaf blower outside. This man decided he wanted to do this at 2 o'clock today. Like, sir. This is the yellow one. I feel like I'm going to school or something with these headbands. I used to wear literally like headbands like these in high school. That's crazy. These are so cute. Literally, like, if you just don't feel like doing your hair and you just want to do your edges, like, do your edges and go. Okay, I'm done. Literally, this is the quickest wig I've ever worked with. Honestly, I really do like the hair though. I already like kind of took a picture in it, and people were asking me like, where did I get this hair from? So Yalissa, you definitely did that. Thank you so much. Literally, it's so bomb. It literally goes to here too. But yeah, guys, this is literally it. I say literally so much. I need to stop. But yeah, this is it. It's done. Thank you so much, Yalissa, for sponsoring this video. And this hair is bomb, girl. The water wave is doing it for me. That's it, period. Headband is already doing it for me. Y'all already, I would literally bought 2 more headbands like this because I wanted to put this with this, but they read my mind. So thank you, Yalissa, so much, girl. All right, guys, well, that's the end of my video. I love you, and I'll see you guys again in another video, okay?